place. I've been with ODOT for 12 years almost now. We work on the bridge crew here in District 1. We come here on 67 to patch a hole that was in the deck. We hammered it out, tied up the steel, and refilled it with concrete. It benefits the public by not having these holes in your bridges. It's safer for the motoring public, and it makes bridges last longer. Water gets down in most of them tracks, it just keeps going and going, and then you have bigger holes every day. No, I've been on bridge crew 5 years. I was in District 7 in Auglaize County for 7 3/4 years on the road crew. We do painting, gravity-fed resin. I fix the spalls all along the edges of the decks. Back head walls that we've been underneath, fixing, tear out the whole back underwall and replace that before. About everything it needs on a bridge. If your back head wall falls out, the whole approach is going to drop, and then you got a big bump when you hit your bridge. So that benefits that there. The gravity-fed resin will seal all the cracks, and it hardens them so that your bridge, the top layer, won't ravel off. And then painting them just helps by sealing all their parapet walls and everything, and makes them last longer. They hold back the dirt and everything that's on the end of the bridges here. I love it. I like the abuse we get here on the bridge crew. It's a good physical workout every day for us. So I'm happy with my job. Been here 12 years, plan to be here another 18 more. I worked for Auglaize County for 7 3/4 years, and if it wasn't for the HT series opening up, I wouldn't have been up here. I've been with Bridge almost 4.5, now 5 years. And I think the HT series is a great thing. It's got the good classes, and like I said, if you wouldn't have opened that up, I'd still be stuck there, and I'm more happier right here in Bridge, and I plan on staying in Bridge the rest of my career.